Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 8.1. Question number 4 says a football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. There is one football team, they won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they have played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? Also, one hint they have given us. They have told that if their win percentage is 40%, then find out the total number of matches they played. So we have to find total number of matches. What we will do? We will first write whatever they have given us. Whatever the hint they have given us. They have given us one hint that the team has won 10 matches, and the second hint is those 10 matches is 40% of the total match. So I have written matches won by team is 10, won percentage is 40. What we don't know is total number of matches. So that we will take it as X. So we will write let the total matches played by the team be X. Now students, you know very well that 40% of the total match is what? 10 matches, right? Because this is the win percentage and win number is 10. So can I write therefore 40% of total match, and what is total match? X is equal to how much? 40% of total match won is 10 matches. So they have given us this 10 and 40%. What we have to find is X. Now 40%, how can I write 40%? 40% can be written as 40 divided by 100. Of will become multiply. X is equal to 10. We want to find X, so we will keep X as it is. This 100 will go there and multiply. 40, which is in multiplication with X, will come down and divide. 0 and 0 of 10 will be cancelled out. 4 1s are and 4 25s are. So our X is equal to 25. And what is X, students? It is, we will write hence total number of matches played by the football team is 25. Hope you have understood. Let me write down question number 5. So question number 5 says, if Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? Students, here also they have given us two hints, and we want to find the total number of money, total amount of money that Chameli was having in the beginning, that we are supposed to find. But here it is not as same as the question number 4. Here the money left is 600 and the percentage which they have given us is of money which she spent. So we are supposed to find the percentage of money left, because we are having the money left. So we will find the percentage of money she spent, she left with also. But here they have given us percentage of the money which she spent already. So what we will do? We will write whatever they have given us and then try to think. So I have written percentage of money spent is 75%. and money left with her is 600. Now if I want to find the percentage of money left with her, what will be the percentage? Definitely it will be 100 minus 75. So I will write 100 percentage minus 75 percentage is equal to 25 percentage. So money left with her, that portion of money in percentage form will be 25. Now we know we are having two terms, 600 rupees and 25 percentage. We will solve as we have solved the previous question, but we will write first, let the total amount which Chameli has in the beginning be rupees X. Now definitely we are having the left money and percentage of left, so we will write 25 percentage of the total money. Therefore 25 percentage of the total money, and what is total money? X rupees, is equal to money spent, what is money left, sorry, it is 600. So we will write 25 divide by 100 multiply by X is equal to 600. This 100 it will go that side and multiply 25, which is in multiplication, it will come down and divide. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100, 6 fours are 24 and the 2 zeros, so we will get X is equal to 2400 rupees. So we will write in last line that hence the total amount of money which Chameli has in the beginning is 2400 rupees. Do you understand, students? Hope you are understanding. Let me write the question number 6 so that I can explain you. So question number 6 says, if 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football and remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other game? Let me first solve this much because here the question ends. What they are telling us? They are telling us in a city the number of people, let's suppose whatever the number of people is there, it must be 100%. Out of 100% of people, 60% of the people likes cricket, 30% of them like football, so and the remaining likes other games. What we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find the percentage of the people who likes the other game. Definitely, students, if I add them, it will become 60 plus 30, 90. And if I subtract from 100, the remaining percentage will be of other game, right? So what they have given us, I am writing here, people who like cricket is equal to 60 percentage, who likes football is equal to 30 percentage, and people who likes other game, what will be its number? Definitely we will subtract 90 percentage from 100, we will get 10 percentage. So we will write, therefore people who likes other games is equal to 10 percentage. Now moving further, what is the second question? If the total number of people are 50 lakhs, total number of people residing in that city is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of the games. Now they are telling us, let's say that they have given that 50 lakh people are there. Now you find and say how many number of people likes cricket in numbers, not in percentage. Number of people like football in numbers and other games. So what we will do, what they have given us, we will write total number of people is equal to 50 lakhs, which can be written as like this, 50 lakhs. Now we are supposed to find exact number of each game, exact number of people who likes each type of game. So first I will write for cricket. For cricket, you know what is the percentage of cricket people like? For cricket, 60% of 50 lakhs, right? That likes cricket. So we will write 60% of 50 lakhs is equal to 60 divided by 100 of, I will write into 50 lakhs. 2 zeros will cancel out, 6 5s are 30, and the number of zeros remaining, right? So 3 lakh people. So I will write therefore 30 lakhs people. 1 0 I have forgot it. 30 lakh people likes cricket. Now for football, you know 30% like football. So I will write 30% of total population. What is total population? 50 lakhs. So I will write 30 divided by 100 multiply by 50 lakhs. 2 zeros will cancel out. So 5 3s are 15 lakhs people. So I will write therefore 15 lakh people likes football. Now moving to last game, other games. For other games, now we know for other games already percentage is 10%. So 10% of the total number, 10% of 50 lakhs, 10 divided by 100 multiply by 50 lakhs. 2 zeros will cancel out. 5 1s are 5. So it will be 5 lakhs only. Okay, 5 lakh people likes, therefore 5 lakh people likes other games. So let us calculate. If it sum up to 50 lakhs, 5 lakh plus 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs plus 30 lakhs, it will give us 50 lakhs. So our question is right. Hope you have understood all the 3 questions. In a new video lecture, we will start with new topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.